All right, guys, so today we have for you the English Mustang, as some call it. It's a little V6 Jaguar F-Type coupe. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. All right, guys, so we removed the stock resonator. It's not really doing a whole lot for the car. It's causing too much back pressure. We went ahead and threw in this X-Pipe, giving it equalization of flow and better end torque. Pipes on Mercedes, AMGs, BMWs, Mustangs, Chargers, you name it, man. Come and get them. We got them for every car, don't matter. We'll put them on. All right, guys, so as you can see, he does have his stock cats on the car right now. An awesome upgrade could always be high performance cats and or equal length headers. For the midsection, we did go with an X-Pipe for better equalization of flow, but I also recommend setup is throwing a nice H-Pipe in there as well. All right, guys, and as you can see, this giant suitcase muffler is where the system ends. It does have two factory valves on each side. There are recommended upgrades for this car, such as axle back systems that will have your valves so you're not too loud but not too quiet as well. We're gonna drop the car right now, fire it up, give it a couple of revs and see what you guys think. Let us know what you think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, as you can see, the car is very similar to a lot of the Range Rover options you see with all these knobs and bits and bobs. As you can tell, the drone, listen, whooping, not too terrible, pretty light, windows all the way up, same thing. Still have a pretty normal conversation, not too bad. Revs, we're sitting right around 3,000-4,000 RPMs. I can hear everything. Pretty good, if you ask me. So not bad for a V6 supercharged. If you want to throw an X-Pipe on your car, you already know to hit us up in the DMs or reach out to gexhaust.com or stop by G Exhaust Dave in Oakwood Park locations.